Do you know how healthcare technology is changing lives? Do you know how telemedicine is taking over the traditional medical methods? Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the future of healthcare technology, including advancements in medical robotics and telemedicine. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. The healthcare industry is constantly evolving, and new technologies are being developed every day to improve patient outcomes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. Advancements in robotics could enable robots to perform lab tests without human intervention. In the future, robots may also administer specific medications. Advancements in medical robotics. Over the past few years, medical robotics have advanced significantly, and new technologies are being created that have the potential to completely transform healthcare. There are many uses for medical robotics that have the potential to enhance patient outcomes and lower healthcare costs, including surgical robots, exoskeletons, and medication delivery robots. The use of surgical robots is one of the most important developments in medical robotics. These robots can be employed in minimally invasive procedures to offer a level of accuracy and precision that human surgeons are unable to provide on their own. With remarkable success, surgical robots have already been used to carry out detailed procedures like heart surgery and joint replacements. Another fascinating area of medical robotics is robotic exoskeletons. By offering assistance and support during physical therapy, these devices can aid patients in recovering mobility after an illness or accident. Also, they can help us duties like fighting and carrying patients, lowering the risk of injury to medical personnel. Medication delivery is another area of medical robotics that is developing quickly. Robots that are programmed to administer medication at predetermined intervals can make sure that patients get the right dose at the right time. Those who need regular medication for chronic diseases may benefit most from this. Medical robotics is used in a variety of other ways, in addition to these, to improve patient outcomes. Robots, for instance, can be used to remotely monitor patients, enabling medical professionals to react promptly to changes in a patient's condition. Those who reside in rural places or have a restricted mobility may benefit the most from this. Overall, medical robotics has a very promising future. We may anticipate even more innovation in this area as new technologies are created and improved. Medical robotics has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and enhance patient outcomes with anything from surgical robots to exoskeletons and medication delivery robots. Advancements in telemedicine. Telemedicine has been around for several years, but recent advancements in technologies have made it more accessible and effective than ever before. Telemedicine allows patients to connect with healthcare providers remotely, reducing the need for in person visits and improving access to care. The use of video conferencing technology is one of the most important developments in telemedicine. Now, patients and medical professionals may communicate face to face and receive real time evaluations via video chat. Patients with mobility difficulties or who reside in distant places will particularly benefit from this. In addition, telemedicine is used to provide mental health care, which is now more crucial than ever because of the COVID 19 pandemic. The stigma surrounding mental health care can be lessened, and patient results can be improved by allowing patients to undergo counseling and therapy in the private of their own houses. In the privacy of their own houses. Other advancements in healthcare technology. There are other fascinating developments in healthcare technology in addition to telemedicine and medical robotics. For instance, a wearable technology can be used to track health metrics and monitor vital signs, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches. In addition to improve patient outcomes, AI is also being applied in healthcare. AI can analyze huge amounts of information to find patterns and forecast results, hence, assisting healthcare professionals in making better choices regarding patient care. Last but not least, unique prosthetics and implants are being made via 3D printing, which lowers healthcare costs and improves patient outcomes. The future of healthcare technology is incredibly exciting. Advancements in medical robotics, telemedicine, AI, wearable devices, and 3D printing are changing the face of healthcare and improving patient outcomes. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovation in healthcare, leading to better outcomes for patients and a more efficient healthcare system overall. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. Please like and share it with others. Also consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of our new uploads. Thank you.